So this is how you can use the new block blast glitch that's been going on around and a lot of people have been using it. So let's start with opening block blast and then tapping on classic. As you can see, I already have 31,000 by using this glitch and my highest score is 64,000, so it really does work. I'm just gonna try to get us killed over here and do it fast, and now I can teach you how to actually do the method. And now that we have a new game, we're gonna want to focus on getting the most amount of solves. So a solve is when you get one line or more. There you go. That is one solve. Now, how do we get more solves and how do we actually use this system? Well, if you get three solves in a row, or two actually, you're going to see that heart at the top, right under your score. There's a pink heart or a blue diamond, I think, if you're on Android, and you're just gonna want to keep this heart alive. So, how do you do that? Well, what you're gonna want to do is basically within three steps. So, that's one step, that's two, and this is our third. By the third step or under that, you're gonna want to make sure that you get one solve or you get at least one line, because if you don't, it's going to restart and basically you're going to lose all of your progress. You're going to lose the heart. And the heart is very important because it is some kind of multiplier. So whenever you solve these, the more times you solve them, the more scores you get. So there you go. Wait, I'm just going to try to maximize and put it on the third so we don't have to start the next three blocks with already one placed, if you understand what I mean. Now, what we're gonna want to do is just keep on doing that same method, like so. As you can see, that's one, two, and this is my third, and there you go. As you can see, it says combo 5. We're gonna want to keep raising this combo, and basically, you're just gonna want to keep on bringing your combos up and your streaks up. That's number 6, and then this is number 9, and the more scores you get or the more combos that you get, the more your multiplier is. I'm just gonna solve a few lines real quick and I can show you that it truly works. But as you can see, when I tried to place my third one, the heart loses and we lost our combo. Now we're gonna have to build it back up by getting 3 solves. There we go, and one more, and there we go, we have our heart back. So the more amount of solves we get, the more our combo is. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I guarantee that this will get you the highest scores. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.